Welcome to Thumbnail Hacks. Today we're doing a quick recording on how to make a thumbnail for fitness videos. Stay tuned. We can get a lot of good ideas about fitness from just typing fitness into Amazon and seeing what comes up. Don't copy the pictures though. Another one is my images, but also you can just go to YouTube and put fitness in. And see what everybody else is doing. Well, let's do this, let's do that. Show off this. There. Everybody has their own different ideas on what fitness is. I decided that I would go with a photo today instead of fitness. And fitness should be fun. So this guy looks like he's having fun. Also, he has a trainer, which helps. Either that or his daughter, but it looks like a trainer. We'll download that one. And we want to be fast. A lot of people think of fitness as being, climbing a mountain. That's fitness, yes, but I think people want to go to a gym for fitness for some reason. A bicycle ride is nice and other things, outdoor activities, but you see all these involve gym activities. All right. Let's try going and putting just two people in, see if we get something a little bit more. Now, that was actually not a bad one right there, where you have an amputee and he's working on fitness too. Although, not being an amputee, it really wouldn't go well for me for that one. And I'm not quite as old as this guy yet. Working on it. And lots of women helping men. Where's a man helping a woman? We'll see. How about man and woman? That's kind of fitness, but then there's extreme fitness right there. That might, let's download that one too. Yep. Here we go. Now we're downloading it. And we'll take one more. Always good to have a choice of 3 pictures. I like this one, except I don't like the way that they intentionally made this blurry there. Guy on a bike. Bunch of people on a bike. This one might be. And download. Now we go to our platform for putting together our thumbnail. Change our frame out because we're not doing critique. We're doing climb border. That's all done. Then we just go to background and we check out a few things. File, open in place. It'll be the last 3 photos that I put in my download directory. Might as well do all 4 of them because I'm not sure which ones. Prostate. Oh yeah, I did do download 4, didn't I? And of course I'm right in the way here. I'm out of the way. I'm leaning more towards this one. That guy he have this smile, kind of. And I think if I do this, I'm going to move Sunday up and, or maybe down actually on that one. So that's not it. All right. Intro week. I think this is the one. Sunday. And we can move it down right about there. She's helping him along. We have contender number 1. It's less than 2 megabytes, so that'll work. Go to the next one. What happened to this one? Oh, maybe they're... I'm going too fast for my Photopea. Sometimes this backgrounds. There's one. There's him. Never blame the program, because 9 times out of 10 it's operator error on my part. I need to move Sunday up, which is this one. Can we just do it? Yeah, there we go. Sunday's up. Export as PNG. And that one also is under 2 megabytes. So we got 2 Sunday surprises so far. Now with this third one here, what I want to do is switch this, because you see how they have the arch, but it's going against the Sunday. We take this, make it smaller. And if anybody knows how to flip this just with a command, that would be really nice. Because I'm still learning on Photopea on ways to do things properly. Raise Sunday up just a little bit more. What's this, number 3? Export as PNG. And that one also is, we're actually getting in at under 1 megabyte for each one of these. And that was another one, so that's the one with the, and then we have this one. So now what we can do is go to our downloads, and we have three different thumbnails that we're going to open up and make a choice on. Using a different one for viewing. That one looks like fun. This is more true and definitely honest. And this one we're not going to do. Toss up between this one, which is a little bit like clickbait, but they're doing push-ups, and I do push-ups. I think I'm going to go with this one because it's more fun. And even though this one here is fun, this one here is a lot of fun. And there you have it. 3 quick thumbnails. I hope you liked it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.